Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the Young Chris Studios. In this video, we're going to be designing a gold badge or a badge similar to the one that you can see now. Um, what we're going to do is we're going to create a circle, and we're going to get started. So with the circle, what I have is I've already pre-made these gradient colors, these three gradient colors, the purple one, the gold one, and the silver one, just in case you want to use a silver. And I'll do a tutorial to show you how to make a gold and silver gradient, or you can just use color pick from the link in the description, because what we're going to do is we're going to use half offset path to create another shape, to create an offset path of our circle, and we're going to change the inner circle shape to blue, and we're going to go again, make another offset path, this time 20 px minus 10 px or minus 20, with whatever fits right and well. And we're going to change the color to gold. I'm going to flip the gradient so that it's not on the path, rather it's on the stroke. I'm going to make the stroke a little bit bigger so you can notice it. I'm going to go to path, offset path again. This time we're going to go in 70% or minus 70%. And we're going to do the same thing by creating the outline stroke. But this time we're going to make it thicker. Just zoom in. And we're going to make the gradient slanted. So now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate by clicking Control C or F one of our shapes. I'm going to right click the type tool and click type on path, and then we're going to click on our duplicated circle. That's how you type in a circle or type in a shape. I'm going to change the font to popping. I like the font popping. It works well with a lot of stuff, a lot of kind of designs. I still like the font Monster, but anyway, so what we're going to do is we're going to type premium quality, but you can type what you want to type. I'm going to do it in all caps. I'm going to do it, paint color white. All we're going to do is we're going to make it a little smaller. Use this line here to to rotate it. And we're going to make the spacing between the letter spacing a little bigger. And just make sure that it's in the middle. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click Control C, Control F to duplicate our premium quality text. And we're going to go to type on the path, type on the path options, and then click flip and OK, and it will flip it. And I'm just going to align at the bottom. Go to object path, offset path again. Add 10 px. I'm going to change it to this blue. I'm just going to change it a little bit from our what we've already got. And now we're going to create a gold star by using the star tool. I'm going to come. Make the star small enough, and we're going to use Alt and drag to duplicate it. We're going to use a method to circling around the circle. We align those to the left. We're going to give them 10% space in between each other. Yeah. We're going to align them all back to the left. And now what we're going to do is the technique that I was speaking about. We're going to select the bottom and the top ones, move them out 20px and 10px for the two middle ones. And then we're going to move those out a little bit, those out a little bit. Then we're going to align them. And now you can see how it looks shabby and messy, but what we're going to do is we're going to fix it up now by just manually just moving the stars. So they fit in the middle, and you can see how that has helped us to align it in the middle with less hassle. Now what we're going to do is going to group that, click Control C, Control F, flip it and put it the other side, make sure it's in the middle. And now you can see our badge is start to come together. Now we're going to start working on that text that's in the middle. So we're going to type the best. We're going to use the font Laura. We're going to type the best. Let's just change that to the gold. Take some of that spacing, the text spacing away. Then we're going to create outlines, and so we can give it this gold gradient and just smoothing out the gradient between all the letters. We're going to take some of the letter spacing away from the D, and we're going to do the same thing as creating outlines and giving it a gold gradient. And again, don't forget to smoothen out your gradient. So we're going to make the word gold bigger, and we're going to use the alignment tool to align it in the middle of the shape of the badge. And we're going to align the D we're just gonna, you can put any text in the middle of your badge. Obviously, it chooses the golden rank, not the gold rank, but for now, I'm just gonna put the gold rank. Moving the gradient. And just align it. Could actually put stars on the blue stars on the outside here if you wanted to. But what we're going to do is something else. We're going to create an offset, give it 20px, minus 20px of the outer gold ring. We're going to change it blue and change the gradient to the stroke. We're gonna make the stroke bigger, and then we're gonna add dashed lines. Remember to make the dashed lines set round at the edge. And then we're just gonna, okay, now that is starting to look a whole lot better by giving the dash px and the gap 30 px. Now we have a badge which is similar to the badge that we started out with, but it's different. And for me, it looks better. Now we're just gonna create that ribbon, which doesn't have to be created depending on what you're creating it for. But just use a pen tool and just draw out a ribbon shape. Make sure it's symmetrical. Make sure it's a right size. And now that it looks nice, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click Control C, Control F to duplicate it, and then flip it. And then we're going to merge the two shapes together. Giving it this blue gradient color. Merge the two shapes together and use the blue inner circle to align it. Copy that over there. And then we're going to merge the outer blue shape with our ribbon so it looks neater. You can't see that it's two different shapes. I'm going to go to path, offset path. Give it a small offset path. I'm going to give it this gold gradient. If that's too big, I'm going to give it an offset that's much smaller than that. And then just give your shape a background, your background a background. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope I made myself clear. If I didn't, then just tell me in the comments. More of these kind of tutorials will be coming to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check out our course, which is going to be live with Udemy soon. We had a few delays, which is why it's not already up, but it will be up. Go over there and check it out.